guys, it is Friday and welcome back to the Detty December vlog series. I'm here with the beautiful Coco. We came to the harvest. This is the first stop of Detty December for today. We came to the harvest to take pictures because Coco wants to take pictures against a nice pretty wall. The harvest has a mural right in front of us. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. This is the mural that we're shooting at. That is the beautiful and delectable Coco. We are trying to find a place. Coco, have you looked here? Do you prefer, where do you prefer? Here or there? This is more blue. Okay. Alright, cool. I'm about to shoot some photos of Coco right now. Currently at Bar. They have 1K cocktails, happy hour. So we're using this as our pre-game to chill and enjoy ourselves before we go to Upbeat Center. So Coco came to Bar to work and dance. And this is Kevin, who is dancing. And we've had a couple of drinks. What are you doing? What exactly are you doing?
It's kind of like a process that you eat in folks.
This is my second drink that I've had. I really can't believe you're really rocking to this song. You're really rocking to this song, aren't you? So I'm currently on my way home.
That is a lie. That's the dirty, stinking lie.
I was at the Upbeat Center for the DJ Lambo After Dark party, but it wasn't happening and it was late and I was like, you know what, I'm just tired. I'm gonna just head home.
Again, that is a dirty, stinking lie.
I got drinks and I got food. In fact, I got food to go. But yeah, I am tapping out for the night.
So let me explain what's going on here. So I'm telling you guys, when I was recording this, that I was saying, oh, I'm going home. When in reality, I actually went out with a guy and we went clubbing and then we went to the strip club. I didn't want to tell you guys that I was going clubbing with a guy because I know a bunch of you do not know my relationship status and I didn't want to just like be awkward about it, but you know what, fuck it, I don't care. I went out with a guy, we went out clubbing and then went to the strip club. It was so much fun. Sadly, I don't have any footage for you because I was honestly just trying to live in the moment and enjoy myself. I didn't want to necessarily have to pull out my phone to be recording anything, so I don't have anything for you from that night, but I promise you I had an amazing time. My Detty December is honestly so dirty and honestly it's been so much fun.
Hello guys, how are we doing today? It is Sunday and I have a lot of places to be today. The first place I'm going to is Wilson's Lemonade. They are having a party today in Lekki and I was invited. In fact, I'm wearing their shirts that they put in the goodie bag because I have nothing else to wear. And then after going for Wilson's Lemonade, I'm going to be going to Henri Uduku's SS19 presentation. After that, I'm going for Poe's concerts. That is the thing that I'm most excited about today. I'm excited as fuck for Poe. So let us start the day, let us get moving, and let us go and jolly. There is so much traffic at the toll. Like, I need to understand why people have not gone home yet for Christmas. I thought people would go to the village. Like, why are people still in Lagos? Like, why? Leave Lagos for the Lagosians now. There has been a lot of traffic in Lagos lately and it's not making any sense. A lot of people have been complaining and I don't blame them. Like, this toll traffic, I've been in this toll traffic for about 25 minutes and it's not making any logical sense. Like, I wish I knew why there was traffic. There's always traffic at the toll, but like lately as you're driving around Lagos, especially the island, there's been a lot of traffic for no good reason. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Chidera.
Every night, man, I'm doing exercise. She look into my eyes, now she's mesmerized.
Hey, bad energy, stay far away. See, I need your love. That's right. See, I need your love. Bad energy, stay far away. Make it stay far away.
Black stars, me and a very feeling. Took skin off and hopefully wipe the grin off. Body team the game when they're witnessing is the kickoff. Try to hit the blue cause they cruising and getting ripped off. They put me in a box, I immediately took the lid off. Doesn't matter if I'm somebody now. I just hope that somewhere I'm making somebody proud.
I'll be down. One hand. One hand. One hand. If you're winning, I'm ready. I'm winning, I'm ready. I'm ready to. Got my eyes on the back kick. Guys, they provoke, she that slick. The way you mean, was that slip? Out with my cat, catching that trip. In the back, going that kick. If they're willing, I'm ready. I'm willing, I'm ready. I'm willing, I'm ready. I wish I was say what? I'm a bitch, I'm like if you couldn't say why.